Okay. Come here. Foot. Foot. Eyeballs. Check. Good. Push it. There you go. Push. One check. Good to go?
No.
I think it's good to go. Hammer down. All the way. You can do it. Good check. There you go. Okay. Alright. Okay. No. You got it. Okay. We're tight?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, okay. You can see.
We're doing great.
Whoa, I want to help you.
Watch fingers. Watch fingers. Push this pedal. Left. Yeah, push it. Keep going. Keep going. Don't hold on to anything up here. Hold on to me. Oh, good job. Nice.
This is mine. Why are you peeing away?
I gotta throw it away at the store.
Why?
Because it's old.
This one's okay.
Hmm.
So you have so many tires over
I
there.
don't have so many, but yeah. Oh, over there, yeah. Yeah, you're right.
So no tires in a store.
You better be just a run.
Dad, look, I on a chair. Look on me, I on a chair. What's a bug?
That's a wheel.
What's a bug? You can miss it.
Alright, so that tire turns left, and this tire turns right.
I can do it.
Well, hold on, we're not ready yet. You can help me with the pedal second.
But this one's too easy. I can push this code.
Oh, don't push them yet, okay? You can push them when I get all set up.
Did this help?
Okay, I understand that. Okay, push the left one.
Wait here.
Yeah, that one. Don't put the hands up here. Just push the pedal. Hold on to me there. Keep going. Alright.
Yeah! We do it.
You are fantastic. You got a high.
I just check your side.
Okay.
I'm gonna check your side.
And what do you got?
I got money.
You got money.
I got the whole money.
You got all the money? I don't have that money. Huh? Okay, that's not in the car. That's the whole presentation. Oh boy. Yeah. Thanks, bud. We're gonna be filming over here.
Hey, look right there, pizza.
I know.
Oh, right there too.
This is a good angle, but there's this tree making a bunch of shush shush noises behind it. Oh, alright.
It's open. It's gonna be right there.
Alright, can you get me need a big ratchet.
Which one?
Big ratchet, that one. Long, skinny, shiny stick. Long, skinny, shiny stick. That one. And can you give me the 17? Can you go look at those little quarter circle ones? I give you the shiny silver one that has a 1-7 on it.
One here?
Yeah, just find out which one has a 1 and a 7 on it.
This one.
Keep looking.
This is number 10.
Shouldn't be a 10. Is it a 9? Okay, where's the 1-7?
Right here. I found it.
Appreciate it.
Quiz, right here. What was it?
No, I'm gonna need the big red tool here in a minute.
Is that? Or this right there? Why?
Why?
I want to see a bumpy view. Why?
So it doesn't fly away. Can you give me the gun?
Is that? Look.
That is the sound of it. Okay, close this up. Look at your face. Measure is behind that wheel. I hope you enjoyed our extravaganza of our New Year's.
Where are we going in the house?
Well, I don't know if we're gonna work on the chimney a little bit. Thanks for tuning in. I'm pretty sure that soon I'm going to start introducing my chimney. I've got a high quality JB23. I used to be a J11 guy, but now they're expensive. But yeah, it's got 3-cylinder, 660cc. It's really fast. It's really slow. This is Jack. But yeah, maybe I'll introduce that next time. Look how long my hair is. Oh yeah, it looks so good. But okay. See you next time.